Hi guys, hi girls, what's up? I'm here at 6001 Stonewood Drive, business location here at Wexford, Pennsylvania. And I'm going to be riding their elevator. It's Schneider, and not Schneider, Otis Hydration. The only reason I'm in this location today is because I had appointments. Next time when I have more time, I'll do a tour for you guys, but it won't be until in 2 months, April 2025. Anyway, I was at a point I had surgery today with nosebleed and earwax treatment. Here we go. So we're on 3. Now we'll invite to 1 once it opens up. Sorry, that's just not drinking enough water. I wasn't expecting that. So yeah, that's the Otis Elevator hydration here at 6801,000 here at Stonewood Drive, Pennsylvania. So that being said, 6001. That being said, Stonewood Drive. Thank you for watching. That's all.